Not sure how to use your LG AC remote? Model number AKB73598011. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The orange on-off button powers your LG AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The energy saver button reduces electricity use by running the fan only when the compressor is active. This helps maintain comfort while lowering power consumption. Press and hold the energy saver button for 3 seconds to activate auto clean mode. This function keeps the unit fresh by removing internal moisture, preventing mold growth and reducing odors. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will shut off exactly when you want. Press and hold the timer button for about 3 seconds to activate light off mode. This turns off the display panel lights on the indoor unit for a darker room. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The clear button resets the timer or cancels any active function settings, returning the remote to default mode. Diagnosis helps you troubleshoot your AC using Smart Diagnosis. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds, and your AC will send data to the LG ThinQ app or an LG service center. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your LG AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.